Hi everyone, I'm Jodie Shell with GrapeSEED USA, and I'm here today with my buddy Marvin Monkey to wish you a happy Monday. So today Marvin and I are going to teach you a very simple and delicious recipe that you can make with your little one, and it's called Watermelon Lemonade Slushies. And so you'll need a few things, and you'll want to talk to your child about what you will need for this recipe. So you'll need a blender, you'll need watermelon that's already cubed just to make the process a little bit easier. You'll need about a cup of lemonade, and you'll need some ice cubes. Now you can see that I've already added some ingredients to the blender here, but make sure that you do that with your child, talking about what you'll put in first. So first we'll fill the blender about halfway with watermelon. What will we do next? Next we'll pour in our lemonade, our cup of lemonade. So talk to your child about that. What will we do last? Last, we'll add the ice cubes. So using that language, that sequencing language, has a lot of academic value for your little one. All right, once you've added the lemonade, the watermelon, and the ice cubes to the blender, then you'll put the lid on. So you can talk to your child about things like on and off. So you're using all of that good language. Put the lid on, and you'll want to turn the blender on for maybe a minute, which we will spare you right now in the video here, but you'll just go ahead and press start and let it all blend together to make your slushie. I'll do that for a few seconds. I can smell it already. It smells so delicious, all those fresh ingredients in there. And then you'll just, oh, look at that beautiful pink coloring too. So I'm gonna pour my slushie into my glass. And you and your child might want to add a fun little lemon wheel like Marvin and I have. And let's see how it tastes. Let's see. Delicious. So cheers, Marvin, and cheers to you. Have a wonderful rest of the week.